Jeff here with Jeff's Cars, and welcome back. So you can see I'm right here next to the 280 SEL 4.5. I've got the door open, and if Madison, if you want to pan around to the seat, I got the little clips in, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back seat back in. Now, there's places all over the world that have parts for these cars, and this one old guy in England, that's where I got these parts. So I've conditioned this leather several times, and so now I'm going to, it's a little heavier than, oh, there we go. It's a little heavier than what I remember taking it out, but I'm going to put it in the car, and then these little pins, excuse me, they actually go in these holes down in the floor. So, and it looks like I got a little help there on the other side. So we shove in the back first. Whoops. There we go. Shove that in there, and then we got to find the hole. And Madison, if you want to open the door and peer in, there we go. Oh goodness, that's tight. Well, let's pull up pull that up a bit. Well, you got your side?
Yep.
Oh, well, you're a stronger man than I am. I guess I'll let you come over here and do this side. Wow. And I don't know why, folks, that those were off of there and they were missing, but I was able to get some found. And that seat's not going to come back out. Well, it's going to have to at some point because there's a piece of carpet missing. Got it. Looky there. All right, and the seat belts, I've got them softened up, and that actually flips. The back of it goes up.
Oh, I'm not gonna mess with that.
All right. Well, now the other moment of truth is, well, new fuel pumps in, and where did I go with the key? Where's the key?
Well, it was in the door.
It was in the door. Well, that's to the red one. Well, looky here. There it is. All right. You want to do the honors? You want me to do the honors? You want to look under the hood while?
Yes, sir. While you crank her up.
Okay, so this is the first time we know it cranks because, you know, in the last video, oh shoot, I don't have to, well, we'll worry about that rubber seal later. We know it cranks. Now will it start? Because there's a new fuel pump on it. And so we're going to listen to see if the fuel pump actually primes up, and then we'll start it. So I'll hit it a couple of times there, Yui.
Alrighty.
Oh, I heard it.
Hey, there it is. No leaks.
I heard it. back there?
Yep.
I wonder if we're getting fuel up in the front. And by the way, folks, I did go buy a new battery. So we got a battery in it, a new battery, so that's the reason why it's cranking. I can hear the fuel pump. So I guess we'll look up under here, just like we did on the 350 SL, since this is the same motor. And well, let's see here. We know that's the adjustment, so I guess, what do you need, a Phillips screwdriver? See if we got any fuel coming up to the fuel rail.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be the tool getter here. Oh, that's a flathead there. Let me get a Phillips, and let's get a Phillips, and let's get a bigger Phillips and a flathead. Here you go. And this car, again, folks, as you know,
Actually, it'll be a flathead.
okay, well, here's a small flathead. As you know, folks, in one of the videos, this thing has been, we know this has been sitting, I know it's been sitting at least 10 years, and it could be longer. So, we'll see if, once I hit the fuel pump, if you got, you may hit it?
Yep.
Okay, let me go around the other side here.
No start.
Well, I didn't try. My brand new battery is wearing down.
Ah.
Okay, let's get a little ether on it. There's some starting fluid up there. Now, why is this window not working? It was working the other day. Just a little. These things don't like a lot of starting fluid.
Battery sounds a little weak.
Yeah, brand new battery and already running down.
Well, you might have to play with the fuel system a little bit.
Weird. These windows, you had them working and they aren't working now. Huh.
Must have very low.
Yeah.
Something to drink.
Well, tell you what, folks, what we might do is put the battery charger on it and go eat some supper. And then maybe come back out and see what happens. Things don't always work out on the first go around, but
No, they
I think that's what we'll do is put a battery charger on it, go eat some supper, and if we still feel like messing with it, then we'll come back out. Otherwise, be another video for another time. Folks, put your comments down below. Hit subscribe if you haven't. Share it with your friends. Hey, hit like. You know, we're getting close to the monetization area, so I'd like to get there before the end of the year if possible. So I appreciate you watching and sharing this with your friends. Thank you.